rang ba ka jela kurat sangma ni kasngi ula lejngo ya ka yau di madan hapolo ha ka ba ya kren binong tho khobor kurat ula ong ba nakaleng juk sorkar wala da ka don ki jingeh hanrai kidang pyrshang ban le kat kabala ban penbet ya ka ni jingeh bat bakan long biang na ka banta baro umtri rang ba ka jela ula kan tui paj ba ban di trailang bat ban ya chakmat ban penlong bat wan ra ya kan long ba shilong kabalat na ki jingeh bat man yo jing man trailang Shu ula ongru ba ka jingiatreilang nong syong di madan bat ka sorkar nang ta ki officer kalawan ra e ka jingsuk ha ka ba yadei ba ka jing pynkynriah yaki syaki jaka ki ba ka sorkar kalamang kerpang warla kata dang don hi sakato kini ki jaka ki ba 4 la ban penbet ya ka jingeh hanrai kermen ba da ka jingiatreilang kiniru an la ban pun urlong
appealing to them. We are doing our best. We have constraints under which we are working. We have challenges because the court also is there that has given strict instructions. So we have to comply with that too. So in all of this situation and all of these concerns that are there, we are doing our best to balance things out. I once again through the media also would like to urge to everybody that let us try to find a compromise. Let us try to move forward. And as I said, this is being done in the larger interest for the city as a whole and for all the public. As you can see that by doing this, a lot of our streets now have cleared up. A lot of the pavement which was blocked earlier has been opened up. And this has only been possible, as I said, because the hawkers also have been supportive. The officers have worked very hard. Balance has been struck. And some way or the other, we have come together. So now a few locations more, we hope the same will be achieved.